Do y'all remember the times that Andrew Tate would go on these America sucks, the West is falling rants?
America, we have freedom. You think you're free in America? You can't even drive 5 miles over the speed limit without getting shot. And if you have a brain and you have any kind of money, get the fuck out of America. If you have children which you want to be happy and safe, get the fuck out of America.
And let me ask you guys a question, I want you to answer. If you had to leave America today, do you have a place you could go? And when I say you could go, I mean you don't need a visa, or you have somewhere to stay and you have money and you can start your life again. And my question genuinely is, why don't you leave anyway? What the fuck's in America? It sucks. Americans are living, and I don't think they realize how crap their lives are. You can't do anything. What do you do in America? Nothing.
I can't even say he's wrong. See, I treat America like I treat capitalism. Capitalism is corrupt. We all know this, but I challenge anybody to find me a better system. So until then, it's the most perfect corrupt system ever. In those clips and many other clips, Tate is known for saying, listen, America sucks. America is horrible. I could never live in America. I could never raise kids in America. There's much better places elsewhere. If you have any money, you'll be a fool to stay in America. Tate even says he moved to Romania and Dubai because the laws in America sucks and the laws over there suits him more. But here's the thing though. You guys know that Tate is currently locked up. Now he's fighting to get released. And when all options are exhausted, he called a lot of politicians. They don't want to touch him. His campaigns on social media to get out is really not working. So when all options are exhausted, guess who Tate gave a call to first?
I'm Tina Glandian. I'm a U.S. attorney and I represent Andrew and Tristan Tate alongside their Romanian legal defense team. We are grateful that the U.S. Embassy has now taken an interest in this case. I know that one of their highest priorities is to provide assistance to U.S. citizens detained abroad, like they've done for countless other U.S. citizens and recently for Brittany Griner and Taylor Dudley. We are optimistic that with their assistance, we can finally get the Tate brothers home.
You see, this is why you really have to think about the things you're saying. Like, you really have to think for a long time about the things and propaganda you're putting out there. Because Tate went on a month to I'm talking about months and years, bro, telling kids and telling his audience, yo, America sucks, leave America. And that influenced a lot of other content creators, like Sneaker, who was out here saying the West is collapsing, he's moving to Dubai. He's just one of the many Andrew Tate followers who believed Andrew Tate's sentiments about America. So you don't get to brainwash millions of kids about how America is horrible and how America is much worse than Romania and these other places in the world. And then when you get locked up and when your rights are being violated, you now turn to America to save you. To me, it's hypocritical, and the fact that nobody else is calling this out is insane to me. But that's not all. Andrew Tate's lawyer also broke down how Andrew Tate is going to utilize this very corrupt system in America to go after his accuser and bring himself justice. She explains that Andrew Tate is going to use this very corrupt legal system to file a civil suit against the accuser and file a cease and desist because she's telling lies on him. This is a right that don't exist in Romania or these other countries that Andrew Tate is receiving charges from.
I wanted to respond to recent news accounts about a legal letter sent on behalf of the Tate brothers, which has wrongfully been interpreted by some people as an effort to intimidate witnesses in the criminal investigation pending in Romania. I'd like to provide some context for the letter that was sent. In April of last year, 2 women, including an American woman, made allegations that the Tate brothers were holding them against their will. When police raided the Tate brothers' residence in Romania, they saw there was no evidence of these claims and the Tate brothers were not arrested. Through their attorneys, they immediately filed criminal complaints against the 2 women in Romania for deceiving the police. At the end of January, after having been detained for an entire month and seeing that in the 9 months that had passed, there had been no developments in the criminal case against the 2 women, as U.S. citizens, they decided to pursue their legal rights here in the U.S. against the American woman.
If America was as bad as they said, then why not forego your citizenship? Why not give it up? Why not become a citizen of Dubai or Romania? But here's the very harsh reality that I don't think a lot of y'all understand, but I do because I'm from a third world country. America is effed up. It's corrupt, right? There's systematic oppression, police brutality. You know, there's snowflakes. There's liberals who is trying to turn this country into haram, right? It's void of morality. Right, is morally bankrupt. It's a wasteland out here. But the wastelands here is a lot better than the swamps elsewhere. There's a reason why we're called a land of the free. It's because, yo, the rights that we have here, we probably don't have anywhere else, yo. Bro, tyranny reigns much more and much prevalent anywhere else. All the issues you think we have is probably 5 times more elsewhere. If you think liberals are bad over here, go to Canada and see what real liberals are, right? Go to Canada and see what real cupcake behavior is, right? If you think that we're not free here, go to Dubai and try to have premarital sex. Go to Dubai and try to smoke weed outside. If you think our laws here sucks, our justice system sucks, go to Romania and be detained for 9 months and go to a judge and ask for bail. Like, bruh, think about this. They arrested a man with no charges, meaning they don't even have charges yet to bring forth to him. They're still investigating. They arrested him and they're keeping him in jail for 9 months legally. It's been 9 months so far. They're keeping him in jail for 9 months legally with no bail. Think about that going on in this country. It doesn't happen. You know why? Because even though they be on BS over here, at least they have a conscience, bro. At least they have a conscience, man. You feel me? All I'm saying is, you'll have your beliefs, bro. But just make sure you truly believe your beliefs. Because once your audience starts to believe something that you're spewing, and then it turns out you actually don't believe it, it kind of gets messed up. It's like Kanye, where Kanye spewed a lot of things a couple months ago. Now Kanye West is saying he loves everybody from that particular group.
My firm had no involvement in sending the cease and desist letter, nor did the Romanian legal team representing the Tate Brothers in the criminal investigation. The cease and desist letter was sent by civil attorneys in the U.S. because it pertains to a civil defamation case which will be filed here in the U.S. Every day that the Tate Brothers are unlawfully detained, they are not only harmed on a personal level, but they also incur substantial monetary damages to the various businesses which they were running before their sudden arrest.
I agree. Listen, I agree. If them Jezebels is lying, take them for everything they got, bruh. Take them dirty drawers, the panties, take it all if they lying. Now, I would probably advise you do this after the legal system is concluded, because if you're suing them for lying on you, how do you prove they lied on you without going through the justice system and proving your innocence? Doing it right now comes off as intimidation. But here's the thing. In regards to being in jail, costing you a lot of money and having, reprehensible damages towards your business, look, Andrew Tate do not help himself with these tweets, bruh. Because how do you say that being in jail is causing you money and damages and is ruining your business, but then you tweet from jail, yo, I'm making more money than ever. The consequences of being in jail is I'm making more money than ever, bro. That's what I'm saying, bruh. Is this man a hypocrite? Is he a liar? Is he a hypocrite and a lie? Yo, or do he just be making jokes, bro? Like, you just lied to me. I feel hoodwinked and bamboozled. I thought Top G was getting richer from behind bars. I didn't know that Top G was going broke from behind bars because of 2 hoodwinks and Jezebels.
So they have a duty under the law here to mitigate their damages, and their civil attorney believed a cease and desist letter was a necessary first step before ultimately filing the civil lawsuit. To be clear, the Tate Brothers are not trying to intimidate anyone. They just want the truth to come out, and they're having their attorneys pursue all appropriate legal action to clear their names. We are grateful that the U.S. Embassy has now taken an interest in this case. I know that one of their highest priorities is to provide assistance to U.S. citizens detained abroad. Like they've done for countless other U.S. citizens and recently for Brittany Griner and Taylor Dudley, we are optimistic that with their assistance, we can finally get the Tate Brothers home.
Listen, at this point, bro, whatever Andrew Tate says, man, it's comedic relief, yo. Like, I seen a tweet from him where he was like, yo, every day I'm in jail, I have to fight for food with the bugs and insects. Today, the bugs took 30% of my calories. Bro, it's like that to me is just comedy, bro. Like, it's hilarious. But his supporters would take that as like, yo, this is some type of pseudo science. It's like a lifestyle thing. This is something that's going to change my... Nah, listen, I love Andrew Tate for the entertainment, right? Simple as that. If you're taking his thing as a Bible for your life, good luck, all right? Let me know in the comment section, what's your take on this? Now, this video was not to bash somebody. I just caught something I thought I needed to speak on, man. So let me know in the comment section, what's your take on this, man? Is Andrew Tate a hypocrite for this? Also, too, man, check out this video here I made, right, on the next Andrew Tate, Sneeko debating with Destiny, all right? I'm going to check you guys in this video. See y'all soon.